Alright guys, in today's video we're going to quickly run over how to delete the microjoints we have created. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. So now in the previous video, we looked at adding micro joints to your design. Now at any point, if you feel like you no longer need them, or you did a little prototype and you don't like where they are located, you can always remove them. So to remove them is pretty simple. We kind of briefly went through it in the previous video, but I'm just going to quickly go through it here again just so you have an idea. So now first things you want to do is go into your cam feature. And then I'm going to select the shape. You don't need to, but it's just so we can see the micro joints a little bit better here on screen. Then what you want to do, like over here, these micro joints are way too big and way too many. We already have one here on the left, so I'll keep that one. So then on our secondary toolbar on top, I'm going to go to the button next to add micro joint, which will be delete micro joint. Now, this one works slightly different to the adding one. So if you see there, I've just deleted it. Now, if I just click on the next one, nothing happens. So that's something to keep in mind. You need to every time click on this if you want to remove a micro joint. I do prefer this as it's a bit more of a safe way to work. So you don't by accidentally delete once you didn't want to. But yeah, otherwise that is it on removing micro joints. Obviously this feature will only work if you have micro joints. So like this one, we can remove it if we wanted to, or remove unwanted ones. So just to recap, you want to go make sure you're in your cam, then go to the one next to add microjoint, which is remove or delete microjoints, and select or click on the ones that you want to remove, but manually selecting your feature every time. Just keep that in mind. But yeah, otherwise that is it on deleting microjoints. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.